Taylor Swift. Yeah, we told everyone we're going to see them to look cool.
I booked my ticket, so do you know that I haven't done that for you?
My mate from work, he took his wife and 2 daughters down to Cardiff to see One Direction. Yeah. And he was going to sit outside. And there was loads of blokes, he said, all just wandering around Cardiff, bored out their heads because they couldn't set their way back. They're all just bored of it. Ticket out, going around giving the blokes tickets, saying, yeah, I'll go on in. Everyone's in there who wants to go in. Yeah. And he's like, yeah, I'll have a ticket. So he ended up in there anyway. And he was loving it then, yeah, taking selfies, he was. I'm in a One Direction concert. What am I going to do? Take a selfie, I don't think so. Oh, he's got videos of all the whole place buzzing in the Macarena.
I reckon that's what he's told everyone. He's probably
You probably have to do, I said that, I probably the one